Hello everyone. Hello year one. Today we are going to have our science class from my balcony here because I need some plants. You can see some right behind me. But before we start, actually, I would be happy if we could revise the names we had and what we learned. Can you remember them all? So let's see our flower names. Snowdrop, daffodil. Oh, I haven't heard you. You should repeat. Snowdrop, daffodil, tulip, hyacinth, dandelion, lilacs, chamomile, lily of the valley. Don't forget, you shouldn't eat this one. And all plants have the roots and stem and flower and leaves. Roots and stem and flower and leaves. Okay, I hope you can also remember the little rhymes we learned. One is about the daffodil. Daffodil has come to town in a yellow petticoat and a green gown. Oh, and the other one is about the dandelion. Dandelion yellow, dandelions green, dandelions growing in the city. Dandelions yellow, dandelions green, dandelions looking very pretty. Okay, ooh, we should look pretty actually, because in the garden, we need protection from the sun. So I need my garden hat, yeah, and I need some special tools for myself. So let's see, because if you want to have wonderful flowers and plants, you need certain tools. First and really important one is the spade. I hope everyone has some garden tools at home. And today I'm going to use a little pot as well. So I can put the soil in the pot. Soil in the pot. So spade is on my window. Spade is on my window. Spade is on my window. Mr. Steve is happy. Ah, Mr. Steve is happy, especially if I can put some soil into this little pot. So this is the dark brown soil, and I need to place some into this pot. I'm going to have some more. Oh, it's right here on my table, and I can make a fantastic garden for ourselves. I should plant something I think we could eat. So why don't you have these things which I have here on my table? First and foremost, this is green peas. I hope you like this kind of soup. And I have a tiny little seed there. Can you see that? Okay. Next one, which we can plant, is a tiny bit bigger seed. It looks like this one. It's a bean. So we have the green peas and some beans. Because most people eat bread on a daily basis, I think we need the base material for that, some white flour. For that, we need some wheat seeds. So I have the wheat seeds right here. Yeah. And I can plant that too. I have one more thing here. This one looks yellow, and this is corn or maize. And we can plant that as well. So can you remember what we had in the tiny little pot? Soil, that's very important. Then I'm going to place a seed right on top of the soil. I'm going to have a bean first, then green peas. That goes into it. Then why don't we have some wheat? The wheat seeds are here, and I'm going to pour these into the little cup. Yes, can you see? They are all going in. And of course, you need some corn. So we can have beautiful little garden. We can have some grains, beans, green peas. We can even have So maybe if I turn it like this, you can see the tiny little seed sitting on the surface of the soil. What I need to do now is I'm going to pour some more soil on top and tiny bit more. And you know what? I can just place it now here on my windowsill. Maybe inside the house would be better, because if it's too cold in the evening or at night, they can't germinate and they can't grow. So I'm going to use the next important element, and that is water. You need to water the soil and the seeds. Don't use too much, because then if it's kind of like muddy, then it's not good for the little seeds. They can rotten away. So let's pour some water on top. Oopsie. Yeah, that's fine. And some more over here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, brilliant. Now I can just place back the watering can. So I have now the seeds inside, covered by the dark brown, almost black soil. What I need to do is place it on the windowsill in the sunshine, and I can have my tiny little garden. Okay, so why don't we listen to our song about all this? Let's find the song. Okay, it's gonna be here. So how to start a garden? Let's see.
How does a plant grow? How does a plant grow? Do you or I or anyone know how a plant grows? First you have a little seed. First you have a little seed. Little seed, little seed. First you have a little seed.
You need next.
Next the seed grows a root. Next the seed grows a root. Next a root. Next a root. First a seed and then a root. Next you have a seedling. Next a little seedling. First a seed, then a root. Now a little seedling.
Right, maybe I need water.
Next you have a full-grown plant. Stem and leaves a full-grown plant. First a seed, then a root, then a seedling, now a plant.
So this is the song you can also find on YouTube. How does a plant grow? And you can listen to the whole thing. Yeah. So after all this, I think we also need to check all the garden tool things we learned. So today we learned about how to plant seeds. You need a pot, some soil into it, a seed, some water, and then sunshine, warmth is needed, and then your plant can grow and little seedlings can appear everywhere. Let's see what I have on my special cards about the garden. Oh, I have a rake. A rake. You can just nicely rake the surface of the garden. Rake. I have soil, really important, good quality soil full of nutrients. And then the little seeds. You can just place them there on the surface and water them. And then sunshine and warmth. These are really important. Right temperature and a lot of light. You need a bucket and a spade just to help you when you need good quality soil. You need to bring some outside. And then here we go again. So if you work hard, hopefully you can have a garden like this man has, yeah? And you can just enjoy the fruits and vegetables and the seeds and grains you can have in your own little field, flower beds or garden. Then, thank you very much for taking part in this short video lesson. And I hope you can also plant some seeds and you can show me with the class, in the classroom, we planted these seeds actually. So now we are waiting for nice little tiny green plants. Okay, so see you next time and take care. Bye bye.